Hey guys, welcome back to Ivy Space. So today we are at Michael's, and I came in here today because I wanted to pick up some stuff for a project that I'm planning to do for Valentine's Day for my Cricut machine that I recently got. Right now, Michael's is on sale for 75% off for all your Christmas decoration things. And guys, go ahead, go to Michael's if you want to get some Christmas decor for the coming next year. You can buy some of these things and store them away. Right now they're on sales for 75% off. That is a lot of money that you could be saving for all your Christmas decoration. They also have new stuff available as well at Michael's. I think they're starting to bring out their spring decor out already. They're just little by little, still far away. And yes, guys, I'm just taking you guys through um Michael's today just to show you guys some of the stuff that I came here to get for my Cricut machine. Right now, the Cricut machine are currently on sale. The one that I have is the Maker, and they're currently on sale for the Maker for $349.99, which is, let's just say, $350. They're currently on sale. The Maker is on sale. The Cricut Air 2 is on sale right now for $250. So if you're looking into buying your Cricut machine right now, I would say check Michael's out. They are currently on sale. And guys, let me let you guys know, if you are planning to buy Cricut machine, make sure you buy the one in bundles. So the one that comes in bundles, it comes with everything, like everything that you need to start making project, everything that you need to start doing stuff. For me, the ones that I got from Costco didn't really come with a lot of stuff. You can check Cricut website out. They usually have sales or bundles that you could actually save money on. Now that mine didn't come with some of the stuff, I have to go back and start buying some of this stuff, and they are very pricey. Guys, these things are not cheap. The vinyl paper was on sale for $11.99, but usually it's like $21 for those papers. Like, these ones are really pricey. Some of those things are really pricey, but if you buy it in a bundle, you're going to be saving yourself a whole lot of money. You're going to be saving yourself like a lot of money, especially if this is your first time buying things like that. So guys, as you see, they have some of the Cricut stuff on sale, like the vinyl paper on sale right now. Not all of them, just a few of them was on sale. And for mine, what it didn't came with was the scraper. I didn't know that you needed a scraper. This is my first time ever owning a Cricut machine, and for my Cricut machine, I got help for setup when it comes to like setting up my Cricut machine from a co-worker. So I took it to work. She like helped me to set it up on my laptop or my phone. And the Cricut machine that I got has a Wi-Fi, so you can print from your phone, you can print from your laptop. And I'm very grateful to her that she actually helped me to set it up, because you know what, I'm not really good in things like that, but she really helped me set it up. So now I can go ahead and start making my project. And I wanted to create something for you guys today for Valentine's Day. So they also have, if you want to make a t-shirt, like a custom made t-shirt, a coffee mug, there's so many things that you can do with your Cricut machine. And if you're planning to own one, there's so many things that you can do with it. So I'll say when I got there, the t-shirt was about $7 for a plain white t-shirt. I'll say check Dollarama out first for a plain white t-shirt, and you can buy the other material here at Michael's. The only thing I don't really know if the stuff is different, like if the quality of the shirt has to be a certain quality. I'm not sure. This is my first time ever owning a Cricut machine. For my Cricut machine, it didn't come with the scraping tools. That was really important, because after you finish cutting out, you have to scrape all that extra stuff out of the mat, and I didn't have that, and those things are pricey. Those things are expensive, man. I was like, wow. I didn't end up buying it because the guy or the customer service that helped me out, the salesperson that was there, he did let me know that those things can be very, very expensive. I can go with the no-name brand, but I will have to check maybe on Amazon or even go to Home Depot to see some of those stuff that I can buy. It doesn't have to be directly from Cricut. And yes, guys, they were really, really pricey. Even the ones that I was on sale, for me, I was still thinking that is still pricey. And yes, guys, I hope you guys love this video. Guys, if today is your first time in coming back, thank you so much for coming back. I really appreciate you guys. And if you are a returnee, thank you so much for coming. And if today is your first time seeing my video, thank you so much for clicking on this video. I really appreciate it. Please push the comment button down below, and also do not forget to push the notification bell so that you will get a notification whenever I upload a video. So this is the tools that I really needed. Look at these ones, especially the scrapers, and some of these tools are the ones that I really, really needed, and they were like $54 for those tools, guys. They are not cheap. They are not cheap at all. So it would have been better, like, no, this one was 64 even. Look at that. Look at how expensive that is. So guys, it would have been better for me to get it in a bundle instead of me buying it just the machine. And then no, I think it would have been better, because that could have saved me a lot of money. And if you have Cricut machine before, I don't think you need a bundle. But if you're new like me, you need a bundle. I'm not going to lie, it's a lot of money that you're going to be spending from your pocket. Like, yes, you need a bundle. So guys, I hope you guys love these videos. Watch this to an end. I hope I will be able to share some of the project that I'm planning to create with my Cricut machine with you guys. And thank you so much for watching. And I want to thank my co-worker Mary Grace for helping me to set it up. Thank you so much. I really appreciate your help, and I'll see you guys on my next video. And also thank you so much for all my new viewers, on my recent subscribers. I really appreciate, and all my old subscribers. You guys are amazing for constantly watching, supporting, leaving a comment. I really appreciate you guys. So I'm going to see you guys on my next video. Have a wonderful day. Bye.